What is up, everybody? We are back. It has been a very long minute since we've posted anything, but we're in the trailer today, and we're going to take a walk around to show you some of the changes that we've done. As you guys can see, the wall that we had here is completely gone. We've taken the bunks out, we've taken the beds out, we've taken everything out, and you'll see some blue tape over here that we've set up for the bathroom, and that's because we have a major change coming up. So let's get started. So check it out. We got blue tape here. We're going to be doing some modifications. So right here, I stand right here, this is going to be the shower. It's going to be a small shower because this is not in a raised roof, which I kind of really didn't think about that when I bought the trailer, but we're going to go with what we got. And then this here is going to be our toilet. So we got a very small bathroom. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a wall that goes across here with a sliding door for the bathroom, and then you can walk into the shower right here. Now we're leaving this here because we built this originally for Logan so that he can put some of his personal stuff, but we're going to use this for like toilet paper and some other stuff that we can put in there for the bathroom section. So that's the first thing that we're going to do. Next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting a hole over here, and we're going to be putting a window here, and then right here we're going to be putting a little small kitchen, and we're going to be putting a window here as well. But we don't have that window in yet. That is on order, so once that gets in, we're going to get that put in and get that all taken care of. Reason for that is we're going to be taking this up to Illinois for Christmas, so that's kind of why we're trying to get everything kind of situated so we at least have some amenities when we get up there. The bathroom's not that much. We just needed to outline where that was going to be so I could start building out the walls and some of the other stuff. So when we get the shower pan, I can put the shower pan in, start building out. We're going to put some cabinets that basically just come over here and have a wall here that has like some backsplash and some other stuff. Have some cooking stuff, and this is mainly for Sturgis next year when we go out to the rally and do our AMSOIL thing. So lots changed since you guys have talked to us and seen us on the videos, you know. So let's take a walk around. So as you guys can see, we are no longer in the RV. We have actually started to rent a house here in the Lillian area, and that's because we wanted to make a change. With me going and traveling a lot with the AMSOIL stuff and going to do these different events, we found out real quickly I can't take the RV because that was our home, and that gave our sons and my wife nowhere to go for our dogs and whatnot. So that's kind of what we're doing now, is we're making these changes. So we got the house. We did sell the RV, and then with some of that money I bought a truck, and that's where we're doing the remodel with the rest of it to try to get that all ready and situated. We still have the Bronco, which is right back over here. So we still have that. I'm going to be getting some actually upgrades done to it because we're looking into doing more overlanding stuff and doing a little bit over that. We have our diamond bike over here, and then we have a red bike in the back as well too. So not a very big space, but you know something, it'll work for what we want. We're going to get the trailer kind of situated and get it taken care of, and we're going to start working on trying to get that going. So next year at Sturgis, when we go, we can load the bikes up, we can load the product up, we can do what we need to, go out to Sturgis, spend 10 days out there doing oil changes, doing lights, doing stereo, doing all sorts of stuff for you guys. So let's get started on this project. So check it out. We got this window right here. We're going to start working on getting this all situated. We're going to figure out where we're going to mount it. We're going to build a brace for it, get it all situated, get it set up, and we're going to get this little bad boy installed.
We can just check in, kick back, unwind, surrounded by widows that feel like mine. These are the people sharing you up. Tears is for tears when things go wrong. Oh, a friendly show, yeah, they got your back. With a love like that, there's nothing you lack. It's more than just being there, it's a vibe, heart to heart moments. I
we're gonna wrap it up for today. It took a little bit longer than I wanted, but we have the window in. We got it sealed up, so no water leakage. But I do have to fix the board because I cut it wrong. I wasn't paying attention because this has some lap. You can see here how it kind of spaces. And when I measured it down here instead of back up here, so I can put these pieces back on in between there because the trailer does shift. For right now, I do just have the board up there, as you can see. And as you can see up here, I screwed up, so I'm just going to get a new board, cut it the right way, seal it up, and then we're going to put some insulation behind that window, and that's it for that one there. And then we're going to start. We got a couple small ones we're going to add over here. They're just super small ones. They actually go in between there, so that should go a lot easier. We won't have to cut the actual beam and kind of put some wood in there to kind of help reinforce the wall and that kind of stuff. So basically we put a piece of board at the top and the bottom, and then because I didn't have enough room on the sides, I really didn't do anything with that, but I do have the wood on the top and the sides to kind of help distribute that weight across the whole window. So this is the first step to it, and we're going to start getting some stuff finished up. Like I got the shiplap I got to finish up there. I got a few more things I got to finish up here. We're going to start getting the walls and stuff built over here for the shower and then the kitchen area, because we do want some functionality when we go up for Christmas. And yeah, plus I still got to mount the bed over here. We got a Murphy bed we're going to be mounting over here. The boys are going to be staying with her mom, so we don't have to really worry too much about where they're going to stay. But for us, we want to kind of have some space on that. We were looking at possibly staying with my parents, or as well as getting a hotel, but I don't think we're going to do that. So we kind of like this life sometimes when we have the ability to go out and travel and do different things. So yeah, no longer need the air conditioning because we have a penguin unit we're going to be putting up here. It's probably going to be right around here. But I got to build some reinforcements up here to help hold the weight of it on these beams here, and then go from there. I've actually thought about and looked at doing something where we can actually walk on this roof and reinforcing it as well there. But I got to do a little more research on what we actually need to be able to do that. One person just told me just build a rack right on top, like one of those kind of carpenter racks. Put one of those up on top, build a platform on top, which actually isn't a bad idea. Then I can put solar panels and some other stuff around the AC unit, so you can't really see it. Kind of help blow it underneath there, and yeah, that actually is not a bad idea. So we might be doing it. So I guess we will see you guys on the next one, and we will start posting more videos out now that we are situated in the house and we got everything moved. It took us a few weeks to get everything all situated, but yeah, I think we're ready to start moving to the next level and making some changes. We still want to do this kind of stuff, but I want to start getting the trailer somewhat finished up. So see you on the next one. Peace.